Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can insert a line on your resume or Word document for different purposes. So this is one of the sample resume. Here you see that there is a long line. So this type of line, how you can add. This type of line can be added 3 or 4 different ways. These are the 4 different ways I just showed you here. So we can add any of this line on our resume. So let's see how we can do this thing. So at first I'm going to type some text. Suppose this is my text and this is my resume I'm trying to build. So I need to insert those type of line. Like the first option is horizontal line. So to add a horizontal line, you have to hold shift key and then you have to type 3 underscore 3 times. That means you need to press 3 underscore time 3 times. So I'm going to hold shift key and on my keyboard I hold and I'm pressing underscore 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and then hit enter key. And once you hit enter key, you will find this type of solid horizontal line. So this is one of the approach you can add. So the second approach is you can add double line. Instead of single horizontal line, you can add double line. So it is more simple. We don't need any shift key anymore. We just need the equal key 3 times. So just type equal sign 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and then hit enter key of our keyboard. And you will see a double line is there. Now let's come to the dotted line. So to dotted line, we just need to use star key or asterisk key. So type 3 times the asterisk and hit enter key. So I'm going to press 3 times asterisk key. So 1, 2, 3 and then press enter key of our keyboard. And we'll see the dotted lines had been added. Now even if we don't like any of this thing, like triple line, we might be the best solution for this case. So at the time we have to use our hash key 3 times. So I'm going to type hash key 3 times and then I will going to press enter key. So 1, 2, 3 and hit enter key and you will see the triple line has been added. Now in this way we can add this type of line on our resume. So this resume is created by following this style. So these lines, all of these lines are created by this which I just showed you. So that's it guys. In this way we can insert a line on our resume very easily in Microsoft Word document. Thank you guys for watching the video.